today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on automatic gain control on voice settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile here. Now click voice, and now here you will find automatic gain control. Click like this, and this will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on automatic gain control on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.